Hey guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So for this Mask Monday, I wanted to do something a little different and do a DIY hair mask. So I just did a really simple hair mask. I used bananas, and yes, I am using my daughter's baby food. I've heard so many stories of people using an actual banana and it like got stuck in their hair, the little pieces. So we're using baby food, and then I went ahead and added some honey. Honey has great like benefits. I'll get into all of the benefits further along in the video, but I just used some honey that was in my cabinet. And then last but not least, I put in some Sunny Owl Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and I believe it's clear just because it's cold pressed, but they do have an extra dark version which I could have used, but it's still Jamaican Black Castor Oil. So I am just going to mix those all in, and then I have my DIY hair mask. So if you watched my recent rice water video, then you know I used rice water on my hair, and it just made my hair so dry. Like my hair was so dry and frizzy. I know a lot of people said it's supposed to dry your hair out, but meanwhile there's people in my comments saying it made their hair super soft. So whatever. I was in desperate need of a good mask, so I'm just going to section my hair, spray my first section of course with water. I always add water before I add any products, and we're gonna use this mask. So this mask was pretty lightweight. It wasn't too thick. I do want to give you guys some of the benefits of these ingredients because all of them put together is like a super amazing mask. So Jamaican Black Castor Oil, y'all know it helps to promote hair growth, and it's also really good if you have like dry itchy scalp. Now honey is a natural humectant, which means it's great for dry hair. It helps to retain moisture. And then banana, it's rich in everything, potassium, a whole bunch of vitamins and stuff, so it's going to help protect your hair from like split ends and breakage and stuff. So all these together is like the perfect trio. So putting this onto my hair, the consistency was a little weird. I don't know, like not the consistency, like the feeling. It felt a little weird on my hair. I can't even explain it, but it was doing like some good stuff for my hair. You'll see in this next clip. It just instantly made my hair super shiny. I know y'all see it. The slip was really good as well. I finger detangled, did not need a comb, and it just defined my curls. Like look at that. It defined my curls so well. I was so amazed with this mask. So I feel like I could have even added more Jamaican Black Castor Oil, more honey, just to give like, you know, some extra whatever, but it still was amazing. So I just worked that onto my hair, used as much as I could for each section, and yeah. So this is what my hair looks like after I let it sit for a little and rinsed it off. You guys, my hair was so like, it was defined, it was soft, it was strengthened. Like this was the first time using a mask and I instantly feel like it was strengthened. So yeah, definitely, if you have not tried a DIY mask, try one. Try this one. Let me know if you guys do. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you guys liked this. And if you want to see any more DIY from me, let me know. I'll see you guys in my next video.